Hey smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the smartest purchasing decisions so you don't end up with buyer's remorse. Today, we have an epic drone showdown between the DROCON drone and the CHUBORY super enduring brushless motor drone. Yep, that's right, it's the battle of the skies, and we're here to help you decide which one will make you the ruler of the air. First up, let's talk about the cameras on these bad boys. On the left, we have DROCON drone with its 1080 PhD camera and a 90-degree adjustable lens. Reviewers say it's like having your own flying paparazzi. On the right, we have the CHUBORY drone flexing a 2K HD camera with a 130-degree wide-angle lens and 90-degree adjustment. According to reviews, it's like having a Hollywood director in your pocket. So if you want to catch every detail from a mile away, CHUBORY has got you covered. Now, let's talk about how long these birds can stay in the air. DROCON gives you 24 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. Not bad, right? But wait, CHUBORY comes in like a marathon runner with 3 upgraded batteries, giving you a whopping 84 minutes of flight time. Reviewers are impressed by CHUBORY's extended flight time, saying it's almost long enough to watch a full movie while your drone is still cruising the skies. CHUBORY might just be the Energizer Bunny of drones. For all you newbies out there who think flying a drone is like rocket science, let's see which drone is the most user-friendly. DROCON has headless mode, 1-key start, land, altitude hold, and even an emergency stop feature. Reviewers love how easy it is to use. Meanwhile, CHUBORY isn't slacking either with 1-key start landing, optical flow positioning, altitude hold, and even a follow me mode. It's like having your own personal drone butler. So both drones are pretty much idiot-proof. Even your grandma could fly these things. What about durability? DROCON is foldable and comes with propeller guards. Reviewers find it compact and portable. But CHUBORY, it's built like a tank with its strong brushless motors and upgraded composite material. According to reviews, it's so tough, it could probably survive a crash landing on Mars. If you're clumsy and prone to crashing into trees, CHUBORY might just be your best bet. Alright, let's get down to the nitty-gritty price. DROCON goes for $109, while CHUBORY is a bit more expensive at $149. But here's the kicker. CHUBORY gives you more flight time, a better camera, and a stronger build. Reviewers think CHUBORY is worth the extra bucks for the superior features. Think of it as the difference between buying a regular coffee or treating yourself to a venti caramel macchiato with extra whipped cream. Summarizing the reviews, DROCON drone is praised for its ease of use, affordability, and decent performance, though some reviewers mentioned issues with its camera quality and durability in windy conditions. On the other hand, CHUBORY super enduring brushless motor drone is lauded for its great elite camera quality, long flight time, and robust build, though a few users reported operational issues. There you have it, smart buyers. The DROCON drone and the CHUBORY super enduring brushless motor drone have gone head-to-head. DROCON is the budget-friendly option with a solid camera and easy-to-use features, while CHUBORY is the high-end choice with superior flight time, a 2K camera, and a build that could withstand the apocalypse. So which drone will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, may your purchases be wise and your flights be smooth. Fly smart, folks. Product links are in the description.